Welcome you all to our Slack Bootcamp channel, your ultimate learning destination. My name is Vidar, and I'm working as a Salesforce marketing cloud consultant here at Valuehub. Also, I am a certified Slack administrator. Today, we will explain you all ins and out of Slack from basic to advanced feature and how it is essential for a better organization success. Today's topic is channel and conversation. The agenda for the day: we will explain you all the concept of channel in Slack and their roles, how to create channels, channel organization, direct messages and group messages, channel etiquette, channel moderation, last but not the least, integrating channel with external tools and management. Let's begin. Concept of channel in Slack and their roles in organization discussion. First come first, let me explain you what is channel. Channel are like virtual room where team member can communicate and collaborate around specific topic, project department, or anything else relevant to the team. They provide a way to organize conversation, files, tools in all one place. Here we have three types of channel. One, which is public channel. They are often too for everyone in the team. They are great for discussion that are relevant to a large group of people or for ongoing project where transparency and inclusivity are important. Second, we have private channel. These channels are restricted to specific member of the team. They are ideal for sensitive discussion, confidential project, or topic that only a subset of the team need to be involved in. Last but not the least are Slack Connect. It is a feature introduced by Slack that allow organizations to communicate and collaborate with external team members, vendors, client or customers, which can collaborate within Slack. Now we have some contribution to effective team communication. As you can see in the diagram, we have 5 points, which I have fetched for you. So you can use public channel to increase access to shared knowledge. Make sure that all the channel you create or have a clear topic for better understanding. Channel are one-stop shop for electronic communication. To help keep discussion organized, use threads. Last but not the least, keep communication inclusive and reduce the risk of accidental leaving out. Don't need to worry. I'm going to explain you each and everything in my demo. So as we understood the meaning of Slack and the channel, now let me deep dive you how to achieve the channel. I believe you have heard this archive word in any other social media platform, like your Gmail account and your LinkedIn, and many other as well. So archiving a channel means you're not deleting any channel. It's a way to deduct your workspace by hiding channels that are no longer actively used, but still contain valuable information. Okay, so you can seamlessly integrate a wide range of business communication and collaboration tool. You can support non-linear communication, which allow everyone to contribute ideas. And you can integrate Slack with other major collaboration to getting the need and time for switching back and forth between different applications. Before going to the next slide, let me explain you in my demo. As you can see that I'm at my Slack workspace, and here you can see that all the channels which are with this hashtag are open channel. Okay, it's for everyone in my organization. As you can see in general, the number of people are 17. In random Valuehub internal workspace, the number of people are 15. Okay, it means all the members in the organization are in this channel. But here we have another channel by the name of allied_workslife. You will be able to see a lock icon here. It means it's a private channel. Okay, and also you can see that there are 8 members in the organization in the channel itself. Okay, it means apart from 8 members, no one can view the message, read the message, or edit or ping the message here. It's a private channel. It's for those people only who have been added here. Okay, so as we understood how to archive the channel, right? So all you need to click here, setting, scroll down, archive for everyone. Also, as I said, that you archiving a channel, it doesn't mean you're deleting any channel. As you can see, the deleting option is here. Okay, once we click in archive channel for everyone, one pop-up will come, archive the channel. Yes, we want to archive it. Oops, as you can see, that the allied_work_life have removed from the list. As I said, it's still there. All you need to go in search bar, type allied_. Okay, it's here. Yes, still I can view the message and still I can see what's going on here. Okay, so as you understood archiving a channel, let me explain you how to unarchive the channel. What if you want the channel back? Okay, drop down, same setting, and see archive a channel. And home, it's here. It's so easy, right? Just in 1 or 2 minutes, you understood how to archive a channel and how to unarchive a channel. That's how the bootcamp is useful for you. Let's go further. Creating a channel. Creating a channel in Slack allows you to organize conversation around specific topics, projects, or team, making it easier for communicate effectively within your workspace. Here we have the process of creating a new channel. Channel are the best way to keep conversation about various project topic that we have understood in before slide as well. Okay. So here we have some interfaces. Don't worry, I'm going to explain you in my demo session as well, just for knowledge purpose. As you can see that I'm at my workspace. All you need to click here on the drop down, create channel. So there are two workspaces. So Slack workspace is made up of channel where team member can communicate and work together. When you join a workspace, you will create an account using your email address. You can use the same email address to join as many workspace as you would like. As I have used the same workspace in my another account, that's why showing both. Okay. Once you select your YT test workspace, click next. Once you will click here, they will give you the option help, project, team. It's up to you. You can select from them as well, or you can place your name as well. Okay. So as I select project, I can mention beta. And that's it. Next. So it's up to me. It should be public or private. Private means for specific people whom I can add, and public is for all people who are in YT test workspace. And then create. Skip for now. And that's it. In just 3 steps, you will be able to create another channel. Isn't it so easy? That's the reason Slack is one of the most easiest communication tool. Let's begin. Now we have some permission setting. You can pause and you can go one by one. So in Slack Workspace, administrator and workspace owner have the authority to manage permission, which are as follows. And they are including granting or revoking access to certain feature and setting. Okay. So by managing these permission effectively in Slack, workspace owner and administrator can ensure that members have appropriate access level, which maintain data security, facilitate smooth collaboration within the organization. Next, we have channel organization. Organizing channel effectively in Slack is crucial for improving communication, collaboration, and overall productivity within your workspace. Here we have some best practices for organizing channel. By creating a channel name convention, use prefix or tag, limit channel creation permission, archive unused channel, group related channel, ping important messages, encourage thread conversation. Don't worry, I'm going to explain you each and everything in my demo. Please stay tuned. Now we have some importance of clear naming convention. So facilitate easy identification. Clear naming convention makes it easier for member to navigate and find relevant messages quickly. Improve searchability. Well-defined channel names and topic improve searchability within Slack. Here we have support project and team member. Clear naming convention and improvement channel topics are especially valuable for onboarding team member to a Slack workspace. So overall, clear naming convention and informative channel topics are essential component of effective channel organization in Slack. By adopting these practices, organization can improve navigation, searchability, communication, collaboration, and the overall user experience within the platform. Next, we have add channel for team, projects, and function. How to start the channel conversation in Slack. So you can send a message to just one person. You can create a group, direct message up to 9 people. You can create a public channel and you can create a public and private channel as well. So for Slack, customers on paid teams can create sidebar section as well. It's for those who are buying this feature. Okay. It's up to you. So channel bring it. Before going to this slide, let me explain you in my demo session, which we have understood. So here we are in our Slack workspace, the channel which we have created just now, project-beta. Here I can add people whom I want. Let me add Mohammad Sohail, Rizvi, Pradman, Riya Sirka. Okay, so now all are member of my channel. As we understood the tag mechanism, here I can mention any person. Let me add password. Okay, I'm sorry, he's not in the name. He's not in this channel right now. Let me set to Riya Sirka. Let's go. So here I have used the mechanism of tag. So by doing this, she will get a notification that I have tagged her. Okay, it's so easy, isn't it? Also, apart from that, we understood the thread mechanism. So you must be thinking, what is thread? Thread, it means a wire? No, it's not. So as I have mentioned the message here, all I can do by using this thread mechanism, you will able to see the message, the whole message in the conversation in this form. Okay, like in any other communication tool, you need to tag, you need to reply the whole message, and it can create a hawk all of a sudden. Okay, but by using this thread mechanism, you can do it just by few clicks. Okay, I'm not going to reply him because I have texted here. No issues. Okay, let's begin. Also, we have understood the pin mechanism, right? How to pin a message. So once we click in more action, pin to channel, it means this message will come up here. Okay, here I have pinged two messages. And once you click here, you will be able to see the message you have pinged. It's so easy. So by this, you can ping all the important documents, all the important ID password, your PPTs in the above section. Okay, let's go further. Here we have channel bring it all together. You can help everyone to organize the track down their need. Slack provide access control to channel and channel support remote collaboration. So I believe this we have understood before. Here we have direct messages and group messages. Direct messages and group messages are essential feature of Slack that facilitate private communication and collaboration among users. Direct messages in Slack serve a private and direct means of communication between two individuals. Direct messages are private messages between two persons where communication remain confidential. Direct messages provide a personalized space for one-to-one communication. Don't worry, I'm going to explain you each and everything in my demo. Here are some key aspects of using direct messages for one-to-one communication in Slack. It can provide you privacy and confidentiality. Direct messages provide a privacy and private space for confidential conversation between two users. It can create quick enable user to communicate with each other quickly and effectively. Instead of navigating through channel, user can direct messages the person they need to communicate with, saving time and streaming communication. Direct messages support various forms of communication, including direct messages, file sharing, emoji reaction, voice call, video calls. These flexibility enable user to collaborate in channel and in ways that best suit their need and preferences. User receive notification for needs and preference, ensuring timely, responsive, and minimizing delay in communication. Additionally, user can mention each member and DM to draw attention to specific messages to involve them in ongoing discussion. And they pause the notification. Next, we have group messages, also known as multi-party direct messages or group messages, are as valuable feature in Slack for facilitating collaboration among small team or specific groups of users. Here we have some point, and no, don't worry, I'm going to explain you each and everything. Focused communication. Group messages allow multi-universe to communicate with each other privately in single conversation thread. Small team collaboration. Group messages are ideal for small team. Group messages are ideal for small team or working group that need to collaborate closely on a project or initiative. Project-based discussion. Group messages provide dedicated space for discussing project-related matter, sharing updates, and collaboration tasks among team members. Cross-functional collaboration. Group messages enable cross-functional collaboration by bringing together individuals with different teams or enable department who are working together on a common goal or project. Real-time communication. Group messages support real-time collaboration and communication, enable user to exchange message, share files, and collaborate in a dynamic and responsive manner. Last but not the least are flexibility and scalability. Group messages are flexible and scalable, allow user to easily add or remove participant as needed. A lot of theoretical knowledge. Don't worry, I'm going to explain you and my demo as well. Here we have some best practices for managing small subset of the team. You can create private channel, use group messages, establish naming convention, invite only relevant member, assign channel or group moderates, set channel or group guidelines. Before going channel etiquettes, let me explain you what are group and what is personal DMs. Okay, so these are channel and also called groups. Okay, here as you can see, the number of member are 17, 8, and 5. Okay, it means it's a group. And for DM means direct messages. Here I can type any person's name, like let me think Padman. Okay. These are DMs. Okay. I believe it's understood. Also, it's not on the slide, but I am explaining you externally. There is one another option of thread. It means I can start a call with him. Okay. As Slack gave the option of thread, and it's one of the most useful option while working. Okay. With thread, you can start a call between him and me or any other person whom you want. You can share your screen to him or the person whom you are going to start. So now we have channel etiquettes and do and don'ts as well. Channel etiquette in Slack refers to guideline and norm that govern appropriate behavior, communication within channel. Practicing good channel etiquette help ensure that communication remain productive, respectful, and organized. Now, let me explain you how Slack help to maintain a positive and productive work environment. Slack provides a centralized platform for communication, allowing team member to easily exchange messages, share file, and collaborate in real time. Next, we have promote collaboration. With feature like channel, direct message, and integration with third-party tool, Slack promote collaboration among team member. It allowed seamless sharing of ideas, feedback, and updates. Next, we have organize information. Slack channel-based organization help keep conversation and information organized by topic, project, or team. Another we have encourage inclusiveness or inclusivity. Slack provides an inclusive platform for all team members to participate in discussion and decision making, regardless of their role or location. Last but not the least are increased accountability. Slack searchable message history and ability to track tasks and deadline help increase accountability within teams. Respect. Exactly. If you will follow all these lines which I explained you just now, you will get respect in your workspace. For sure. Now we have some importance of using thread or more in-depth discussion. It can organize conversation. Thread provide a cluster and structured way to organize related messages and replies within channel. It can reduce cluster, which help to maintain the channel view unclustered by moving detailed or off-topic discussion into separate thread. It can maintain focus because thread allow user to drive into more in-depth discussion without disturbing the main channel conversation. Thread preserve the context of discussion by keep related messages and reply together. It can improve searchability because Slack search functionality induce the ability to search within threads, making it easier for user to find specific range of information related to a specific topic. Channel moderation in Slack involves managing and overseeing the activity, conversation, and member within the channel to ensure that it remains productive, respectful, and aligned with its purpose. Slack provides various moderation features for channel administrator to help maintain a productive and respectful communication. With channel setting, you can allow your workspace owner and administrator to configure various aspects of channel to meet the specific need of their team. Channel creation restriction. Slack allow workspace owner and administrator to control who can create workspace within the workspace. Channel creation restriction. Slack allow workspace owner and administrator to control who can create channel within the workspace. This setting can be adjusted in the workspace setting called permission. Owner and admin can choose to allow all member only certain roles or a specific user group to create channel. Last but not the least, we have channel naming restriction. Slack imposes certain restriction and guideline on channel naming to ensure clarity, consistency, and usability within the platform. Here you can see the opt-in channel moderation, overview, feature, and access, along with request process and purpose. Last point of the day, we have integrating channel with external tool members. With external tool member and management, system enhance productivity, streamline workflow, and centralized communication. The ability to integrate channel with external tool in Slack. Slack offer a robust platform for integrating channel with external tool and service, empowering teams to streamline workflow, enhance collaboration, and centralized communication. Here we have the directory, the app directory, two-way communication, workflow automation, custom integration, file sharing, collaboration, project management tool, code repository, integration, meeting and video integration, notification management, and analytic and reporting. By fostering a more efficient and streamlined workflow in Slack involves leveraging the platform's feature effectively and implementing best practices tailored to your team's need. By implementing these strategies, you can create a more efficient and streamlined workflow in Slack, enable your team to communicate, collaborate, and manage your team task more effectively. Adjust and refine your approach based on feedback involves need to continuously improve your team's productivity in Slack. Now it's time to say goodbye. I hope this bootcamp have boosted your knowledge on Slack channel, on thread, hurdles, how to create channel, how to achieve a channel, and many of the same. If you would like, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you find any doubt, don't forget to connect with us on connect@valuehub.com. Also, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon so you will get the notification when next video will come. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Thank you so much for joining and keep learning.